Yo, what up, digital pioneers? Let's talk crypto. It's like the Wild West out here, full of shiny new currencies and enough jargon to make your head spin. But don't worry, I got you. We're gonna break down two big players in the crypto game: coins and tokens. Think of them like the cowboys and outlaws of the digital frontier, each with their own swagger, their own turf, and their own way of slinging value. Understanding the difference between these two can save you a whole lot of confusion, and maybe even some cash. So saddle up, partners. It's time to learn about the building blocks of the cryptoverse. Let's get this money, shall we? First up, we got coins. These aren't just any coins though. We're talking about the digital kind, the ones that exist purely in the virtual realm. These are the OGs, the pioneers, the ones who built this digital saloon from the ground up. Imagine the Wild West, but instead of gold rush towns, we have digital landscapes. Coins are like the gold nuggets of the crypto world. Just like miners panned for gold, crypto enthusiasts mine for these digital treasures. Each coin has its own blockchain, which is like its own personal ledger. This ledger is a record of every transaction ever made with that coin. It's where all the transactions for that coin are recorded and verified. This ensures transparency and security in the digital world. Think of it like a public diary that everyone can see but no one can erase. Every entry is permanent, making it a trustworthy record. Bitcoin? Yeah, that's a coin. It's the first and most famous, the one that started the whole crypto revolution. It's like the Clint Eastwood of crypto, the strong, silent type that started it all. A true legend in the digital frontier. Coins are primarily used for, you guessed it, payments. But that's not all. They're also used for trading, investing, and even as a store of value. You can use them to buy stuff online, send money to your friends or enemies, or just hold on to them as an investment. The possibilities are endless. They're like the digital dollar bills of the future, but with way cooler technology behind them. Imagine a world where your money is not just paper, but a piece of advanced tech. Now let's talk about tokens. These little digital assets are making waves in the crypto world. They're like the sidekicks of the crypto world, always there to support and enhance the main heroes, which are the coins. They're not here to replace coins, but they sure do add a whole lot of flavor to the game. Imagine them as the secret ingredients that make your favorite dish even better. Tokens, unlike coins, don't have their own blockchain. They rely on the infrastructure of existing blockchains to function. They're built on top of existing blockchains like Ethereum, kind of like building a fancy new house on someone else's land. This allows for a lot of creativity and innovation without needing to start from scratch. Think of tokens as the versatile tools in your crypto toolkit. Each one has a unique purpose and can be used in different ways. They can represent anything from loyalty points to digital art. The possibilities are almost endless. To even virtual cats. Yes, really. These digital collectibles have taken the world by storm, showing just how diverse tokens can be. One popular example is Chainlink, a token that helps connect real-world data to the blockchain. It's a crucial part of many decentralized applications. It's like the messenger pigeon of the crypto world, bringing information from the outside world into the digital realm. This makes smart contracts even smarter. Tokens are where things get really interesting because they can be used for so many different things. From governance in decentralized organizations to staking and earning rewards, the utility of tokens is vast and varied. Bitcoin versus Chainlink. Two sides of the same coin? Let's break it down with a little head-to-head action. In one corner, we have Bitcoin, the heavyweight champion of coins. Bitcoin's main gig is being a digital currency. It's like the digital gold standard, aiming to be a reliable store of value and a secure way to make transactions. In the other corner, we have Chainlink, a token built on the Ethereum blockchain. Chainlink's superpower is its ability to connect smart contracts, basically self-executing contracts on the blockchain, to real-world data. This opens up a world of possibilities for things like decentralized insurance, supply chain management, and even prediction markets. See, totally different vibes. Ethereum, the Swiss Army knife of crypto. Now you might be wondering, why are so many tokens built on Ethereum? The answer lies in its versatility and robust infrastructure. Well, Ethereum is like the Swiss Army knife of blockchains. It offers a wide array of tools and functionalities that make it incredibly useful for developers and users alike. It's not just about being a currency. It's about building a whole decentralized internet Imagine a world where applications run on a network that no single entity controls. One of Ethereum's coolest features is its ability to support smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the terms of the agreement are directly written into code. These contracts are like self-executing agreements that can be used for all sorts of things, from automating payments to creating decentralized applications or dApps. They eliminate the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster and more secure. And guess what? Tokens are often used within these dApps as a way to pay for services or interact with the platform. Take Uniswap, for example. It's a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade tokens directly with one another. It's a decentralized exchange that lets you swap one token for another without needing a middleman. This peer-to-peer trading is revolutionizing the way we think about finance. And what does it use to power its platform? You guessed it, tokens. These tokens are the lifeblood of the Ethereum ecosystem, enabling a wide range of functionalities and applications. So, you want to be a crypto cowboy? Alright, so you've got the lowdown on coins and tokens. But why should you care? Well, understanding the difference between these two is crucial if you're thinking about diving into the crypto market. First off, it will help you make more informed investment decisions. Second, it will allow you to navigate the ever-expanding world of dApps and crypto projects with more confidence. And finally, it will give you a deeper appreciation for the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology. Tokens, coins, and the future of finance. Look, the crypto world is still in its early days. It's like the Wild West out there, full of opportunity, risk, and a whole lot of hype. But one thing is clear, both coins and tokens are here to stay. They represent two sides of the same coin. Pun intended, two different but equally important aspects of the decentralized future of finance. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting to dip your toes into the water, remember this: coins and tokens are your trusty steeds on this wild ride. Choose wisely, partner, and happy trails.